Hello children. Children, in the previous module, I gave you the question answers and other exercises from the chapter I Remember. I hope you all have completed the work, and I had also promised you that I will be teaching you determiners. So here in this module, I will be teaching you determiners, and in determiners also today I will be covering the topic article. Alright, so let us begin. Children, now let us start with determiners. Let us begin with examples. The girl is a student. I have lost my keys. Some rice is there in the pan. Which book is that? I'll take this book. Both windows were opened. So I think so far you must have guessed that what are determiners. So here we have the definition of determiner. A determiner is a word that occurs with a noun and serves to express the reference of that noun or noun phrase in the context. That is, a determiner may indicate whether the noun is referring to a definite or indefinite element of a class, to a closer or more distant element, to an element belonging to a specified person or thing, to a particular number or quantity, etc. In brief, it specifies the noun. Alright, let us get back to the examples once again. The girl is a student. I have lost my keys. Here the A in the first example are the determiners. The girl, they are talking about the specific girl, hence the is mentioned here. Now in the second one, I have lost my keys. My is the possessive determiner here. I will give you more description about it later on. So here in all these examples, the underlined words are the determiners. Let us go in detail. See, common kinds of determiners include definite and indefinite articles. You all know the, a, and. Demonstratives, this and that. Possessive determiners, my, their, etc. Cardinal numerals, 1, 2, 3, etc. Quantifiers, many, all, few, little. Distributive determiners, each, any, every. Then interrogative, which, when, why, etc. So all these are determiners. The first one that we are going to study is article. So what are articles? Let us see. Articles are words used with noun to specify the grammatical definiteness of a noun. Articles are of two types, definite articles and indefinite articles. Let us see what are definite articles and what are indefinite articles. Here we have the definition of definite article. The definite article in the English language is the word the. So there is only one definite article, and that is the. It denotes people, places and things that have already been mentioned, implied or presumed. Means already they have been described, and when you use them again, the is used. That will make it a definite article. That, if you remember in the first example, as you can see again, the girl is a student. So that girl has already been mentioned earlier. That is why the is written here. Alright. Now indefinite article. The indefinite article takes the forms of a and an in English. It is mostly synonymous with one. Means instead of one you can use this, but the word one is usually used when emphasizing singularity. Means for a single thing only one is used. Otherwise in English language we use a and an. Alright. Children, now we are going to study about the definite article the in detail. First of all, we will see its uses. Along with the uses, exceptions are also mentioned. So first we see point A, put the before the words which mean the inhabitants of a country. Example, the English live in England. Clear? Now let us see exception. Do not put the before the names of the language. Means here in the above sentence, English was the nationality, but here it is the language. So the is not mentioned before it. English is spoken in England. Now see the second one. Plural nouns, this is the second exception, of a country's inhabitants do not take the if they are thought of individually. Means Indians are great warriors. We have not put the here. Why? Because collectively Indians have been taken here as a single class. Alright. So now let us come to B. Put the before the names of mountain ranges. Example, the Alps, the Himalayas. Now let us see what are the exceptions to this rule. Do not put the before the names of single mountains or hills. Everest, Mount Blanc. So here not the Everest, not the Mount Blanc means here we have not put the before Everest because it is a name of single mountain. Alright. Now let us come to C point. It says use the before the names of rivers, canals, seas, oceans, valleys, deserts and forests. Example, Lucknow is on the Gomti. We will not say Lucknow is on Gomti. The is to be mentioned here because it is the name of the river. Alright. Similarly, we say the North Sea, the Indian Ocean, the Ganges, the Sahara Desert. Now let us come to point T. Use the before the names of ships and trains. The Rajdhani Express runs fast. The Titanic was a very big ship. So here Rajdhani Express and Titanic are the names of train and ship respectively. Now let us see the exception to the rule. Do not use the before the vehicles when they indicate a means of transport. I will go to Delhi by bus. We are going to Mumbai by train. So here bus and train are used as the means of transport. So we will not put the before them. Alright. Now we will see omission of the definite article means where we do not have to use the. A point. Do not put the before the names of substances if they are used in a general sense. First example, gold is a precious metal. Here we will not say the gold. Why? Because we are using this word gold here in general sense. Similarly, bread is made from flour, not the bread or the flour. Lead is a heavy metal, not the lead. Exceptions you see. The must be used if the reference is to a particular kind or type. Example, the thieves stole the gold from that ship means if we have to specify about the particular thing, then we have to put the. The bread in this hotel is of poor quality means they are referring to the bread of a particular hotel. They are referring to the gold which was there in the ship. That is why the has been put before them. Alright. E point, do not put the before the names of meals like dinner, breakfast, lunch, alright. If they refer to the meals generally, when do you have dinner, have you had breakfast, lunch is at 2 p.m. But when the meal is a particular one, this is the exception children, then we have to use examples you see. The dinner will be taken at Ashoka means of a specific day they are talking about. We enjoyed the lunch given by the school means the lunch that they had in the school they are talking about, that particular lunch. So specific time was there, that is why the has been put. Now see point, do not use the before plural nouns when they are used in a general sense. Books are necessary for students. Apples grow in Shimla. So here we have not put the before books or apples or students because we are talking here in general sense. Alright. Now see point D. Do not use the before the names of games. Example, Sania Mirza plays tennis. So before tennis, we don't have to put the. Alright. Children, now see point E. Do not put the before the names of the countries unless the name denotes that it is made of parts. Example, India, Italy, France are all republics, and you will not put the before the names of these countries. But before United States, before United Kingdom, you will put the, because these are the unions. Example, the United States is very rich. Alright. Now see point F. Do not use the before the names of the officers if these follow the names of the officers. Example, Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi. Children, here name Mr. Narendra Modi was written, so the was not put before Prime Minister. Similarly, President Mr. Ram Nath Kovind. Name Mr. Ram Nath Kovind is written here, so the is not put before President. Now, if the names are not mentioned, the must be used. Alright, this is the exception. Example, the Prime Minister, the President, etc. Why we have put the before Prime Minister and President here? Because names are not written. Proper names are not written. Alright? Children, in this module, I explained you the definition of determiners, its types, and I also explained you the definite article in deep. Now, in the next module, I will be coming up with indefinite articles as well as few other determiners. Till then, stay home, stay healthy. Bye-bye.